All right, welcome everybody. This is going to be a recap ending on June 26th of 2020. And what we're going to go over here is just strictly the naked stats as we do every week. But I want to make an important announcement. Starting on July 1st, a lot of people have been asking about this. And so what I'm going to do is we are starting some additional hours where I am going to do some personal trading with my other CB or crystal ball traders, and I'm going to start releasing those results similar to what I did on my 500 consecutive days where I traded live in the chat room. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm focusing strictly on crystal ball trades. That's starting on July 1st. Starting July 1st, be looking for some additional videos, and also if you want to keep up with me on a daily basis, go to Instagram under Pro Strategies, and I will keep you updated on my daily results. But we're going to do some live trading again, and basically what I'm doing is I'm allowing my CB traders to come and join me as I trade the CB method. This is my preferred method of trading. You can do quite well with the core strategy. But one of the things I like about the crystal ball is crystal ball allows me to trade out of the money, okay? Where the core is designed to trade in the money, where with the crystal ball, I can trade out of the money, meaning that instead of selling it at $30, $40, risking, $60, $70, I can sell it at $80, $90, risking $10, $20, okay? So my risk to reward is a lot greater. And so anyway, I'm going to start doing that July 1st. But in the meantime, I want to go through some of these naked stats. Once again, if you're new here, what a naked stat is that I trade strictly patterns. I don't use any kind of indicators. These patterns provide buy and sell setups, okay? A naked stat means that how did they do without any kind of filtration? Now, we do have additional patterns that filter out these buy and sell patterns, but this is without any additional filtration. It's strictly raw, saying that if you get a buy, you buy it, and if you get a sell, you sell it. And these are the stats. So you can see coming out of the gate, you do have quite a bit of an advantage statistically or percentage-wise, by just looking at the naked stats alone. Typically, I'm going to see most of these running in the 70 to 75% range without any filtration. They've been a little bit low recently, but they are coming back, which I expected, and I expect even more to come back on the Aussie and the Euro. Pound, surprisingly, is a little bit higher than that normally is. It runs around 67%, but the yen is certainly where it needs to be, running between 70 and 75%. So once again, these are all naked stats. I'll continue to release these, but what's very interesting as well is, as you know, I also provide the first trade, which means that whatever the first naked signal is, starting at 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. Eastern, I keep track of that very first trade, and you can see that is running at 88%, which is important, which means that what that shows is that your first couple trades trading in the morning are always going to seem, for some reason, seems to be your most accurate trades. I don't know why that is, but it just seems to be that way. That's important because that means you can come in. Best time to trade is make a few trades in the morning, and then you're done for the day. So you can approach it one of two ways. One is come in with an objective, which I highly recommend. You come in with an objective, you hit your objective first thing in the morning, either one, step away, stop trading, or you stop trading your live account and you go to a demo account and continue to practice. If you have the time, that is the preferred way to do it, is you continue to practice. The more you practice, the more you work with the patterns, the better you are going to be at trading them, okay? If you don't have that, you come in, you hit your objective, you step away, and then when you have time, come back and start practicing a little bit more. Or if you're trading in the morning and the evening, you can come back and set a second objective in the evening. Once again, it's a very good time to trade as well. So you have your option to trade in the morning and hit an objective, and also trading or only trading in the evening and go for an objective. So you can potentially have 2 objectives twice a day if you have that time to do so. But anyway, starting on July 1st, I will be releasing my CV results. So be looking forward to that. Also, if you have any questions, please go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com. Shoot me an email. I'll be glad to answer any of your questions regarding the core or the crystal ball method. The other thing is, if you like to keep up with the daily CV trades, please go to Instagram, sign up, and you'll be able to keep up with that as well. Okay? So that's pretty much it. Good stats throughout the week, obviously. 67, 65% coming up to where I expected, somewhere around the 75% for the Aussie and the Euro. And of course, the pound and the yen are where I would expect them to be. Pound maybe a little bit high, but certainly the yen should come up a little bit more as well. So I'm looking forward to another really good week. These last few weeks have been just awesome for everybody, but I think we're just going to get stronger from this point forward. So really good time to start trading right now. So that's it. Once again, any questions, go to binaryprostrategies.com. Please click the like button if you like what you're seeing. Also subscribe so I can keep you updated on my weekly results, as well as any new free educational material that I put out there. You'll be the first to be notified to watch those videos. All right, that's it. I hope that everybody have a great trading week. And once again, watch for my results starting on July 1st for the crystal ball. Y'all take care.